At the age of 55, I finally got my bachelor's degree and set out to become a substitute teacher.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy, uy.
One day, a seventh grader asked, "Have you been teaching for a long time?" I told him, "Actually, I'm brand new. I just graduated." Looking me up and down, he asked, "How long were you in college?"
Recently, I woke up to find that two of my car's tires had been stolen. When the police officer arrived, he asked, "When were you last driving the car?" I said, "Last night at 11 o'clock. And the tires were on it then."